Okay, so let's move on to guided practice. Go ahead and read the problem to yourself. So a bucket contains 70 gallons of water. Water leaked out of the bucket at a rate of 5 gallons per 2 days. At this rate, how many days did it take for all 70 gallons to leak out of the bucket? So what kind of rate do we want to set up? It gives us the rate. So we want to set up gallons to days. Okay, well, how many gallons are there?
70.
There are 70, but what's the rate?
2. 5.
5 gallons
And 2 days.
for 2 days. Okay, they want to know how much will there be if all 70 gallons leaks out. How many days will it take? Yeah, so 5 times what? I'd have to do some division probably to find out how many times 5 goes into 70.
Oh, wait. 14.
Yep, 14. So this is times 14, and this is times 14. So that would give me 28 days. So the answer is D. Okay, let's look at the next one. This one's a little trickier. So in Bastrop, Texas, 6 bats ate 72 grams of insects in one night. At this rate, how many grams of insects will 64 bats eat in one night? So what would our rate be that we would set up?
Bats and grams.
So do we put grams on the top or bats on the top?
That's on the top.
So it says,
Yes.
at this rate, how many grams of insects could 64 bats eat?
Oh, we're still at 6 grams on the top.
I think it's grams on the top.
Yeah.
I knew it.
Let's try it. So if I have 72 grams for 6 bats, okay, so if I had a picture of that, that would look like this. So 72, and I would divide it up. Does that seem right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that makes sense because I'm actually seeing how much each bat will eat. You see that? I'm seeing how much each bat. If 6 of them ate 72, it's like if a group of kids ate a whole pizza, right? If there's 8 slices of pizza and there are 4 kids, how many did they eat? They all ate 2. Well, there's 6 bats and they ate all those grams. So this makes a lot of sense. They want to know how many 64 bats will eat. So go ahead and think about that. This one's more complicated because I can't really make 6 look like 64, right? There's nothing times 6 that makes it 64. So I'm going to have to find out what the value of this is through division. So when I divide 72 by 6, I get 1.
12.
So 12. So each bat ate 12. Well, how many did 64 bats eat then?
768.
Yeah, if each bat had 12, then I would have to count 12 64 times. I do that math, and I should get 768 grams per bat.
Yeah.
Or for all the bats, actually.
Is that a lot for that?
Well, that's for all the bats combined, not just one. For one bat, it's only 12. Okay, let's look at this last parish in Louisiana, which is actually like a county. I don't know if you know that. I lived in Louisiana, but they don't have counties there, so you live in Comal County. In Louisiana, they have parishes. I don't know
Get
why.
that shirt in Louisiana, shiny rib.
Yeah.
Isn't parish like
So a parish in Louisiana with an area of 435 square miles has a population of 9,570 residents. Which rate best represents the relationship between the population and the area? So what does our ratio look like? What's on top?
population?
Population over area. Good. What is our population? 9,570 over 435. Okay. What are we going to do now? Divide. You have to actually divide it out. Let's look at our answer choices, though. Is it going to be A?
No.
No, because of square miles per resident. We're not looking for that.
It's also not going to be D. Yeah, because it's
And it's not going to be B.
it's a square mile.
Why can't it be D?
Because it says 9,570 residents per square mile. Which is the same as the population. But that's the population.
But that's the whole population. You're right. So that's not it either. So then it's going to have to be C, and we have residents per square mile. If you actually do the division out, it comes out to 22. Okay? All right, so now I want you to try your warm-up again by setting up a rate.